Joshworks presents Basic Crochet Stitches. Today you'll learn the chain stitch, the single crochet, how to increase, and also how to decrease. Today we're going to learn the basics. All you need is a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. It's best to learn crocheting with the plain type of yarn, a light color preferably. I'm going to start by learning how to make a slip knot. Simply make a loop with the tail end of the yarn. You're going to tuck under and then through the loop. And then hold on to both ends, pull the loop until you have formed an adjustable knot. Okay, let's do it again. Cross it over, tuck it from behind, pull, that becomes the loop, pull the two ends, and you have your adjustable knot. You want it to fit your size of hook. Not too big, and make it too loose, and not too tight or not too small, so it glides nicely. Now we need to learn how to hold the yarn. Over your pinky, behind, and wrap it twice around your index finger. Here it is again, over the pinky, behind, wrap around twice, and then grasp it by the knot by your thumb and middle finger. And you want to make sure it's not too tight on your hook. Now the chain stitch is simply going under, over, grab it, and pull through the loop. Now you have a new loop. Under, over, and pull through. This is called yarning over. Pull through. There you go. We have 3 chain stitches. Under, over, and if it gets stuck, watch how I am turning the hook down. That way it will slip through the loop easier. Under, over, turn the hook down, slide through. You want to move your fingers up and grasp close to the loop after each few stitches. Under, over, pull through, under, over, pull through, under, over, pull through, and then I move my fingers up. This is the beginning of many crochet patterns, a simple chain. Now before you continue, please practice this chain until you get nice even stitches. Now we are going to go on to a single crochet. So from here, you're going to skip one and go to the second stitch on your chain. That gives you a little space. Put your hook in. Now you have 2. Yarn over and pull through both stitches. Okay. It's 1 single crochet. Do it again. Put your hook through and grab, yarn over again, and pull all the way through. Hook through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 on the hook, yarn over again, and pull through. Now you have 3 stitches. Here we go again. Hook through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 2, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And we're going to continue this to the very last chain. I believe there are 12 of them. You're going to continue single crocheting to the very last chain stitch. So now we have 12 single crochet stitches. Flip it over and you're going to work back in the other direction. Let's learn how to increase, which is simply putting 2 single crochet stitches into one hole. Instead of skipping to the next, you put 2 single crochets into one, and that doubles the amount of stitches. So there's 1 single and another single right in the same hole. So now we have 4 stitches on top from only 2 underneath. So we're going to continue all the way across, and our original 12 stitches are going to become 24. And there we have it. This is what it looks like if you start with 12 and then increase to 24. Now we're going to decrease. Get your hand position ready. We're going to take 2 stitches and turn them into 1. So go through the first hole and yarn over, and then the second hole and yarn over. Now we have 3 on the hook. Yarn over again and then pull through all 3 loops. That is called a decrease. We went from 2 to 1. So here it is again. Next hole, go through, yarn over. Next hole, go through, yarn over. And now there's 3. Pull it through all 3, and we have now gone from 4 to 2 at the top. Here we go again. Yarn over, through the next one, yarn over. We have 3, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. All right, so we're going to do this all the way across to the end. So we went from 12 stitches down to 6, and you can see the shape that it forms. Thanks for joining us. Continue to practice crocheting, and then check out our other video on how to crochet a mini cactus. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.